Right now, time and wait for you. Jeez, yeah, I love sunroof, you know. The time if you cut out the top, is me paid. And put in the sunroof, is me. No joke. Is me sunroof bring off car, you know. In the car, sunroof, you know, you just get a different look, different vibes, is me. Yeah, be great, is me. See there? First sunroof I put in. This one. First, is me. No farmer welding, no fire, nothing. You understand?
Daddy,
You
can put something nice up on the top. You know
what?
what?
Sunroof.
Yeah.
Yeah, people need to see the sunroof in the car. I mean, right now, nothing like drawing inspiration from my black car, which this is the first sunroof I've ever installed in a car. Yes, and it's truly a work of art, isn't it? Yeah, man. Alright, so I said that I was gonna resurrect this car soon, but change of plans, people, change of plan. I'm gonna finish this one, yeah, before me resurrect back this. I mean, not much really do it, isn't, but I just need to run through, make sure so everything is okay and it isn't. So now I'm gonna, guys, I update CMA, see the pull it down, isn't it? Take out the dashboard, the AC system and everything with another, so isn't it? Yeah, man, fully pulled on. I don't even finish pulling on it. You see it, people, honestly, love this black car. You see me? But this more exciting to do right now. You see me? Yeah, so we don't have this, may experience this. So need to experience this, you know, is it? And it's been a while since I have this idea in my head to execute. You see me? And finally I make some sacrifice, you know, to get it executed. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, you know. Yeah, man, executing the rear wheel drive, the 2JZ swapped ae92 Levin rear drive conversion. Yes, that's the project I am executing. You see me? But anyway, been a while since I've seen this sunroof move, so move it right now and see what's up, you know. It's been a while. Yeah, people. See there. I mean, it's night, but you guys can actually see what's up. Jaja. Yo, I need to see this in the car, people. Sunroof on top, well tilted up and slide back. Yeah, man. Sunroof for days, project for days, custom fabrication for days, modification for days. Yeah, man, I don't know the lifestyle, you know. New to me, I just ready that post at first. Yeah, I just said them things, but I share what I'm capable of for the rear, or somehow I'm capable of. At my age, no sense hiding, you know. Fun for me, man. Just do my love and share it, right? That's it. Yeah. Alright, so need to see this in the car, yo. Yo, this was sick. Yeah, the whole image and thing. Oh God. Yeah, people. Time to put that in that. First sunroof I installed for this good while. Yeah. The reason being, you know, if it takes some time to sort out my thing, isn't it? Make some sacrifice, isn't it? Yeah, man. Sort out my business, is it? You know, I don't nobody can do for me. Is it? It's all hard to find somebody to do it for me. So, you know, I put my thing together. You understand? So, yeah, man, the first sunroof I installed in a while. Sacrifice to my thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Alright, people. Hey, what's up? The one is again. This not needed, isn't it? So we'll get rid of this. See me? Sunroof we are going is a good size sunroof. So yes, so we'll go. Anyway, I've cut out the accommodate the sunroof. So that is what I'm going to do. Vibes crazy on the project. Yeah. Swear. Shall I more cut in? Yeah, good. Yeah, people, the sunroof finally is in the car. But I don't know, couple minutes after one, I'm gonna decide I'm gonna finish putting it in tonight, or rather this morning, isn't it? Yeah, I'm half it finish putting the sunroof this morning. So. See the people? Worseness unleash. You know, me have the push rod suspension to finish up. But yo, me I just have to do this sunroof before me complete the push rod suspension. You have to see this sunroof in the car. Yeah, man. Yo, if you know me, I love sunroof. And if you guys don't know, I love sunroof. Isn't it? Sunroof BS, people. Sunroof BS. Yeah, man, sunroof in a car, man. Sunroof bring off carrying, man. Isn't it? Because you don't know no farmer welding going on, you know? Yeah, man. No farmer welding, no farmer fire. No. Finally, sunroof gone, you know. Yeah, night I mean, a bleach pan, you know. I mean, I see how happy finish put in it tonight. Yeah, man. Our time now, missy. 2 minutes after one, you know. 2 minutes after one, so yeah. Kinda bad. It's in. As you can see there. Some of it's in, people. Wow.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was meant to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bro.
Perfect, people.
So keep your head on your
Sure.
shoulders.
I'm positive.
We ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders.
Yeah, man. Positivity do it, dog.
We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers, you better wake up. Fuck the game up, change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bro.
So every start script. Now, man, like, don't part the colorful but not too.